channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mercy. I create makeup and skincare related videos. Please do subscribe to my page and also please do follow me on my Instagram. I post almost every single day makeup and skincare related content. So in this video, it's going to be a Nykaa Pink Friday sale week this weekend. So I have my recommendations for you guys. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. So I'm going to start with makeup. So first thing I have is the eyeshadow palettes. They have an amazing offer going on Huda Beauty palettes. All the mini ones are almost 50% offer. These are really good, very buttery texture, long lasting and amazing color range they have, and they have various ranges in this, so you can definitely check it out. And also the famous, the Naughty Nude, the recent launch of Huda Beauty, it is also 40% discount, which is like really good. I do not own that, but I've also added to my pink box sale this time, so I'm waiting for that. And the next eyeshadow palette is from the Makeup Revolution ones, and Makeup Revolution usually comes up with really good, amazing eyeshadow palettes, and this time they've got 50% discount on almost all their good eyeshadow palettes, so you can definitely try. They have various color ranges. I mean, all the palettes have good color pay, and it's got really good, amazing quality as well. And in budget, I think this Makeup Revolution, it's really good. Next we have the e.l.f. mini palettes. This retails for 350 rupees, but this time they have buy one get one free on e.l.f., so you can definitely purchase this one. This is very beginner friendly and for everyday use. The Wet n Wild palette, which is also on discount, and they also have amazing color ranges. You can definitely try it. Usually retails for 499 rupees, and now this is also on discount. My favorite K-Beauty palette is also on discount. All K-Beauty products are actually 25% discount. This is the palette Bare Soul. This has got amazing coppery shades, very nice, very pigmented, long lasting as well. Next I have the palette from Lakme. This is 50% on discount. This comes with a brush as well, and they have got amazing colors. Lakme is a very good brand, and all the products are really good, so you can definitely check out this one. So next I have the Swiss metallic eyeshadows. These retails for 179 rupees, and this is also on discount right now. This is really good. You can definitely try this one. They have amazing color range. I mean, it really lasts for a very long time. It is very glittery and perfect to wear during your festive season. I will leave down all the links for these products down below in the description box, so you can check it out. So before we move on to the drugstore products, I have very few high-end products to show you. So all the nude stick products are now 30% discount on Nykaa. So if you want to try anything on the high-end side, you can definitely try this one. This is like this is a blush stick, which is really easy. You can just apply it. You don't even need any brush. You can just blend it with your fingers. It blends really good. I really love to wear this during my everyday makeup or no makeup look. This is really good. And this is the one this is the highlighter stick in the shade Bubbly Babe, and that is what I've owned right now for this video. This is also such a pretty and long lasting highlighter, so you can definitely try the nude stick one if you are into high-end products. The next product is the Charlotte Tilbury foundation as well as the setting spray. These two are really amazing. If you want to buy anything on the high-end product brand, you can definitely try this one. This would be definitely worth your money. I love the foundation. It is matte but doesn't feel heavy or cakey on your skin. It just settles down, but it does oxidize, so try to go a bit lighter when you get your shade. Actually my shade is 8, but I have 7.5 here. After it oxidizes, it just sits perfectly on my skin. I really love it for my special occasions. As well as the setting spray. So this is how it looks. So this is the setting spray. It just makes your makeup last longer, like I'm talking like 10 to 12 hours longer. It just makes it sit so perfectly. So you can try the setting spray as well. Another favorite setting spray is the MAC one, which is like a holy grail product. I finished bottle and bottle of this one. So this one is also on sale right now. That is, if you purchase 3000 and above, you get some kind of gift from MAC. So, and also they have mini ones, so you can definitely try that one too. First one is the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. This is like really black and it stays for a really long time. It is waterproof, sweat proof and smudge proof as well. It's my absolute favorite mascara. This is from L'Oreal Paris, the Lash Paradise mascara. Let me just yeah, now it's clear. So this one, I've actually got two of these because it's really good. I usually get it whenever they have it on sale, and this time they have it like for 50%. It's on discount, so you can definitely try this mascara. Another mascara which is on sale is the Maybelline Colossal one. This is really good on the budget side, but it does makes your lash a little bit clumsy. So it is like a okay mascara for me. I really like the L'Oreal one, better than this one, but it's just all your own preference. So whichever works for you, you can definitely try that one. From Maybelline is the Colossal eyeliner. This is a really good eyeliner. It stays for a really long time and it is very black as well. It is like really black. I have one more eyeliner which is on offer and very good. Is the Plum Goodness eyeliner, I mean Kajal. So this also is really a good one. It also has very good pigmentation. So this one is the Plum one and this one is the Nykaa and this is the eyeliner. I have made a few videos on my Instagram using all these products. You can definitely go check it out. It will give you a much more clearer view and swatches on these products. So since it is a long video, I'm just hurrying here because I have so much of product to show you. Also, I've not included any lipsticks or any kind of lip product here because I've made a separate video for that on my Instagram page, so you can definitely watch those there. First one is the Lakme foundation. This is such a good foundation, and this is almost for 270 or 250 rupees, I guess. Now after discount, I will just leave it here so that you can check out the before and after price. If you have dry skin, I think this would work like a charm for you. As well as I have another one for dry skin beauties. This is the K Beauty. It is such a hydrating foundation. If you have dry skin, I think this foundation would definitely be your best friend. So you can try this one as well. And next is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but I do not have Fit Me. I have the smaller version. I don't have the bigger one because I have dry skin. That is like purely matte foundation, so it doesn't work for my skin. So if you are oily skin people, so you can definitely try the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Next, I have got some concealers. This is my favorite. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, which is on 50% discount right now. So if you have dry skin, you can definitely try this one. And also another favorite one is the LA Girl concealer. This is not on 50%, but this is also on discount. And another favorite one is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. All these works really good, and they have got like really good coverage as well, so you can definitely try. I wear concealers on everyday basis. I do not like BB cream. Concealers a little bit goes a long way, so you can definitely try these concealers. So let's move on to blushes now. First one I have is the K Beauty one. Like I mentioned before, K Beauty products are now 25% discount. This is in the shade Dusty Rose. This works great on Indian skin tone. So next one I have is the Milani one. This is like illuminating blush. This has got a little bit of shimmer to it, so if you are going to wear this one, you don't even need a highlighter. This is a very stunning peachy pink color. I have two liquid blushes here. First one is the Flower Beauty one. This also is on 50%. This one I have is the Flower Beauty blush in the shade Cinnamon. It is a very pretty a pinky color. And another favorite one is the Lakme 9 to 5. This is in the shade Blush Velvet, which is like a perfect dupe for MAC Mere. And this is all the shades are actually now 50% discount, so you can try this one. Next I have two highlighters here. The first one is the K-Beauty one. Like I mentioned, it is on 25% discount right now. And next one is the Maybelline Chrome highlighter. It doesn't feel chunky or anything. It is a very beautiful and subtle highlighter. So next let's move on to body care. I have very limited products here in this as well. So first one is the McCaffeine body scrub. This is the new one and it just smells like perfectly like coffee, and I am a coffee lover, and this is like really good, especially to scrub your body. And you can use it before you shave because it is going to exfoliate and make your skin smoother to make the shaving process much more easier. So you can definitely try the body scrub from McCaffeine. This one is the Bath and Body Works body mist. This smells so good. This is the Cherry Blossom one. It smells really good, and they have such good offers going on Bath and Body Works, so you can definitely try that one as well. The Nykaa Cherry Blossom Shower Gel. All the Nykaa products are really good. This is from the Nykaa Natural, and I think the Cherry Blossom range is very good. Out of everything, I think the Cherry Blossom one smells really good, so you can definitely give it a try. The next one is the Nivea Roll-On Deodorant. So this is also on sale right now. So next one is the Body Shaving Company razors. These are also on discount right now, so you can definitely check this one out. So that's it guys. Hair care, I've done a separate video for that on my Instagram page, so you can definitely check that out. I will leave down all the details in the description box for you guys. But hair care, whatever product I mentioned on my Instagram page, I have linked it down below, so it would be easier for you guys to just click on the link. So thank you so much for watching. I think I hope this video was useful to you guys. So thank you so much. Have a happy shopping weekend. So please do like, save and share, subscribe to my channel. See you soon on my next video. Bye.